Wow. Look at that view. Now this is the stuff of dream.
Yeah,
I'm
it'll
in my
happen.
dad's tree stand.
Careful.
This
Stay right there, dude.
nature is just beautiful. Like you can't get this anywhere else. I do feel like I'm about to fall down. I just feel like I'm about to fall down right now, but that's
Are you doing a live?
no. I can't go live. I don't have
Doing
50.
a video review of
Yeah.
the ravine?
Yes.
Then
It's a
show the
ravine.
ravine, dorky. Just face your phone that way. Show the ravine.
Now this is a ravine.
I know.
A natural formed ravine from nature. This
Man, there must be all sorts of smells. You're going crazy.
is great. You see my little dog down there?